Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. We always look for that one magical ingredient that can transform our skin as well as our hair. So in today's video, I am going to talk about the remarkable benefits of hyaluronic acid for your hair as well as for your skin. Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance that's found in our body. It keeps our skin and tissues hydrated, but as we age, the production of hyaluronic acid decreases, and that leads to dryness, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. That's when the topical hyaluronic acid comes to the rescue. Studies have shown that hyaluronic acid has this unique ability to hold up to 1000 times of its own weight in water, and that makes it the exceptional hydrating agent when it comes to your skin. By attracting and retaining moisture, hyaluronic acid replenishes and revitalizes the skin, resulting in more plumper and supple complexion. It smoothens fine lines and reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and it restores that healthy youthful glow. L'Oreal Paris has come out with their amazing hyaluronic acid based skincare as well as hair care products.
Let's start with the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Skincare range.
So the first thing that I have is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now I've been using it from past 1.5 years I think, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful product. If you don't have any skin infection or eczema, you can totally try this one out. This is a beautiful product, and this is going to transform your skin. You need to try this one out to see the difference.
This is a must-have skincare ingredient that goes deep layer into the skin, and it gives you quick and visible results. It's a non-sticky lightweight formula that gives you intense hydration that leads to plump youthful skin.
This keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. My skin looks so dewy, nice, juicy and plump. I love it. And then I follow this serum with this particular moisturizer. It's the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Day Cream.
This range has micro hyaluronic acid that penetrates deeper to lock in moisture. It's a translucent poly gel that glides across the skin. It leaves behind a sensation of hydrated, non-sticky, velvety skin.
First of all, I love the texture of this particular moisturizer. It's so cloudy, it's so lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy, sticky, greasy or uncomfortable. It's perfect for everyday use. Whenever I go out, I use this moisturizer, then I top it off with a sunscreen and I'm good to go. And also it has a beautiful fragrance to it that I absolutely love.
Before I dive into the skincare routine, let me just quickly check out what's the moisture level of my skin right now. And as you guys can see, it's from 29 to 35%. As a first step in my skincare routine, I use this hyaluronic acid serum on my damp skin. You can use any toner to dampen your skin a little bit. And can you guys see, it just provides you that instant boost of hydration. And what I really like about this particular serum, no matter what skin type you have, this is going to make your skin more plumper, smoother, glowy and dewy. Moving on to the Plumping Day Cream. This, I would say, it's suitable for all skin type. I have oily to combination skin and it suits me perfectly. It's perfect for everyday use, especially for this summer season. It's very hydrating, moisturizing on the skin, yet non-sticky, non-oily or non-greasy. It's very lightweight and comfortable on the skin, gives a velvety finish, and it's perfect underneath your makeup, and it provides a radiant, glowy, dewy skin. After using these two skincare products, I'm gonna check again the moisture level of my skin, and oh my god, look at that, it's 77% now. Hope you guys can clearly see the difference.
If you don't know already, hyaluronic acid is not just beneficial for your skin, but it can work wonders when it comes to your hair. Harsh weather, heat styling, chemical treatment can lead our hair to dryness, brittleness and hair breakage, and this is when hyaluronic acid comes to play. Hyaluronic acid's unique properties helps to lock in moisture into your hair, and it provides hydration to your hair shafts. It repairs and strengthens damaged hair strands, makes it less prone to breakage and split ends. Resulting hyaluronic acid using on your hair makes your hair soft, smooth, silky, shiny and manageable.
Now let's talk about the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Hair Care range.
So first I have their 72-hour moisture filling shampoo with hyaluronic acid. It replumps hair and gives you long-lasting hydration.
This provides 72 hours of hydration. It maintains the moisture level of your hair. The texture is very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy, very creamy and moisturizing, and it makes your hair very soft and smooth.
And then I have their 72-hour moisture sealing conditioner with hyaluronic acid that detangles and locks in moisture.
First of all, love the cloudy texture of this conditioner, and it shows results from the very first use that I'm super impressed about. It really does what it says. It seals the moisture into your hair and your hair feels so soft, smooth, silky and shiny. I love it.
Coming to this particular hair care range, I have recently discovered it and oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. This makes my hair so soft, smooth, silky and shiny. It doesn't weigh down my hair. I love the conditioner. Although they have clearly mentioned that this particular hair care range is suitable for dehydrated hair, but I would say I have oily scalp and it suited me perfectly. Now I have oily scalp, but towards the end of my hair gets really dry because of heating tools, or I need to style my hair every now and then, and oh my god, this range suited me so well. I've been using them constantly and it makes my hair so soft, smooth, silky and shiny. It doesn't weigh down my hair. It adds a little bit of volume to my hair. My hair looks really nice and it makes my hair very lightweight, you know. Because of this particular range, maintaining your hair has become so easy. If you have color treated hair, if you have chemically treated hair, or if you have dry, damaged, dehydrated hair, if you have hair that is prone to breakage, or if you have split ends, definitely try this particular range out. I think you are gonna like it. What makes hyaluronic acid more remarkable is its versatility. It's suitable for all skin type, all hair type, be it oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, and it can be used in so many beauty products like serums, moisturizers, hair treatments and so on. So whether you are looking to enhance your skincare routine or to revitalize your hair, hyaluronic acid is that one magical ingredient that you have been looking for. So it's high time that you discover the transformative benefits of hyaluronic acid and see the difference by yourself. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's for absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.